guys, I got a 2008 Ford E250 Ecoline cargo van, 4.6 liter. I am doing an AC compressor. Maybe I just recorded this video, maybe it's helped you easily to remove the AC compressor. So I already moved it from this bed. It was down there. I just move it and make it forward. It was a 10mm long bolt go to the bracket, two on the bottom and one in the top, left corner, the right corner of the compressor. You can access the high and the low side of the suction is discharge line. Obviously it's hard to remove it from there. What I did, I removed from the accumulator and the condenser. When the line I removed it so I can easily access to remove the lines from the compressor side. So I'm underneath the car right now. As I say, it was the compressor was back here. I move it forward. First I disconnect the line which goes to the condenser and the line which goes to on the top. I'm talking about the top from the accumulator, so you can access easily. Well, don't forget to remove the wire. And you have, in my case, I removed the crankshaft position sensor of the hole because it's on my way. Do that too, you don't have to break it. So when you lose the lines, the condenser and the accumulator, so you can access it easily. So on my case, I'm gonna access it from the top. I want to lose it from the top because I can reach it from here. I don't want to waste my time. So I'll really move it and make it easy to access so I can be able to see it from the top. I will show you what I'm talking about. You guys like this and that. That's what I'm talking about. See, you can easily access it. I already removed the fan shroud and the fan with the clutch because I'm going to replace it too. So I'm recording this from the top, so see, you can access it easily. Low side and high side. This is a high side, this is low side, I mean discharge and suction. So when I move it like this, I can be able to disconnect it. So connecting is opposite side, I mean opposite reverse procedure is going to be reverse. When I put it back, I'm going to put the compressor down there and attach the line right there. There is no way you can access those lines while the compressor is inside its bracket. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna disconnect this. I don't have a camera holder. I can't show you the whole process, but this is procedure I am doing right now. And let me know if you have any question. Every time you replace the compressor, make sure you lash the hoses. Also, replace the orifice here. This car don't have an expansion valve. So that's it. Let me know if you have any question. And thank you.